Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. I'm Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this granny square. This is the Daisy granny square. You can find a chart of these granny squares and a gallery of different granny squares in my website. You can find the link on the description below or here in the top of the video. And you will learn how to crochet this granny square step by step. If you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe to receive the notifications of my new videos. You will learn in this channel how to make amigurumis, how to crochet, how to knit, how to make granny squares, stitches galleries, lots of different videos. Let's go with a step by step. You have to start the granny square from the center, making a magic ring. You can make a chain 4 if you prefer and make a slip stitch to make like a circle. In my case I will start with a magic ring and I will make a chain 3 and in the magic ring you have to make 12 double crochet, counting the first chain 3 as the first double crochet. You have to continue making 11 double crochet. Once you have the 12 double crochet, you have to make a slip stitch with the third chain. And in my case I will change the color. Place a new color. Start with a chain 4 and in the first space you have to make a treble crochet popcorn stitch. You have to make 5 treble crochet, counting the first chain 4 as the first treble crochet. You have to make 5 treble crochet and then make the popcorn stitch. Remember, pull up the yarn, place the crochet hook through the chain number 4 and take the yarn and close the popcorn stitch. Close the stitch and chain 1. On the following space you have to make again a treble crochet popcorn stitch. Make 5 treble crochet in the same space, 5 treble crochet, pull up the yarn, place the crochet hook through the first treble crochet, take the yarn close the popcorn stitch with a chain 1 and then make a chain 1. Continue making one popcorn stitch, one treble popcorn stitch on each double crochet of the previous row, so you have to make 12 popcorn stitch. Remember, make 5 treble crochet and close the popcorn stitch with a chain 1 and make a chain 1. This is what you have to repeat to have the 12 popcorn stitch. Now in my case I will cut the yarn and change the color. And I will start making the first part of the first corner. To make it, you have to chain 3, in the same space a treble crochet, another treble crochet. You have now 3 treble crochet. This is the first part of the first corner. And now you have to continue with the chain 1. In this chain 1 space you have to make a group of 3 double crochet, like the granny square, like the basic granny square. Chain 1. On the following chain 1 space you have to make again a group of 3 double crochet, chain 1, and now we have to make a corner. To make the corner you have to make a group of 3 treble crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 2, and in the same space to complete the corner 3 treble crochet. Chain 1. In the following space you have to make a group of 3 double crochet, chain 1 again, another group of 3 double crochet, chain 1 again, and we have to make another corner, a group of 3 treble crochet, chain 2 and 3 treble crochet in the same space. You made the second corner, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to complete the last corner, making a group of 3 treble crochet. Chain 2, and you can close this granny square with a slip stitch. If you want to make it bigger, you can continue with the basic granny square technique. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember, you can find the chart of this granny square in my website. You can find the link on the description below, and it will be great if you give me a like and share this video. See you on the next week.